Hi everyone, let me introduce you to my family. She's Mama Hen. We have 9 chickens in total. We have 2 roosters and 7 hens. I have to pet her because she is wounded. I'm not sure what happened to this, but looks like she's wounded, so I have to treat it with this peroxide. They're very good. When I see my chickens wounded, so I put them peroxide and they usually heal. They roam around, so sometimes, I don't know, maybe a dog bite them, or animals, whatever. So I have to treat them because they're part of our family, and they produce eggs, give us eggs, so I give them treatment. They are part of our family. So here, Mama Hen, I have to put something on your count that on. Yeah, it's too bad. You see that? She's gonna be fine. We'll have to take care and love our pets, our animals, because they're very useful to us. They're like our families. Right, Mama Hen? Doesn't hurt you, right, Mama? You're not hurt, right? You wanna say hi to your fans? To your chicken back there? Say it. Say hi to your language. You see yourself? You better get your own chickens too, because the chickens makes me happy. When I quit my job, then I started to raise chickens for the first time, and I like it so much. So they are my happiness. They produce a lot of eggs during summertime. So we get free eggs. You just have to take care of your pets, your animals. Right, Mama? Right, Mama? See. Sometimes animals are better than human because they love you, you know. I have to pet her just for a while. Alright, you wanna say bye-bye now? I gotta put you back to the other chickens, since I already treated you. And I hope you feel better. Mwah. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say hi to my family in the Philippines. Alright. Bye-bye.